press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Yogita, welcome to I Love Campus.
Hi.
I want to know what you carry on your bag. So what's on your bag?
What's in my bag? Okay, let's begin. So, first thing is this bar, because I am always hungry, and if I've asked for something, if when we're shooting और अगर मैंने कुछ बोला ऑर्डर करने के लिए और उसमें टाइम लग रहा है, तो ताकि मैं गुस्सा ना हूँ और मैं ना रोऊं भूख के मारे, थोड़ा सा खा के अपने पेट को मैं संभाल लेती हूँ. So that's in my bag. There's always a chewing gum. There's another chewing gum that I carry. That's the electric shock chewing gum. I love pranking people. So if at all there's no entertainment on the set and if I'm around and कोई entertainment नहीं हो रहा है, तो मैं अपना prank खुद ही लेके लोगों को चढ़ा देती हूँ, जो कि अभी मुझ से एयरपोर्ट पे जब्त कर लिया गया. मैं एयरपोर्ट चेक इन सिक्योरिटी पे जा रही थी और उनको कुछ तो वो बैटरी की वजह से उन्होंने बीप देखा और मेरे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने मुझसे पूछा ये क्या है, तो मैंने बोला आप पुल करके देख लीजिए और उनको करंट आ गया, तो उन्होंने ले लिया मुझसे. आई गॉट टू बाय अ न्यू वन. एंड देन आई कैरी वाइप्स, देन आई कैरी माई वॉलेट, then I carry my Kindle because I'm hungry. I have to carry a nut case, so I have dry fruits all the time in my bag. And then I carry my charger. Then there's a comb. I think every girl has it. Then there's a pen for anything you need to sign in life. And roll on perfume, you never know, it's Bombay. And then this is my compact concealer because I work late night. I need to conceal my dark circles. And then because matte lipsticks and you have to have a nice lip balm, so I love this one. It hydrates and it's like I have new lips after 2 minutes when I apply this, so yeah. Then there's a scrunchie because I get irritated by my hair, so I have to sometimes just make it into a bun. And of course there has to be a lipstick. And since I'm a girl, I have to have a tampon. That's it. That's all in my bag.
Okay, so we can say your bag is a small makeup kit also?
Yeah, because, yeah. A little bit I have to carry.
Okay, can you tell me about your bag? Which brand?
This bag is a black bag. It's Aldo and it's a basic bag which goes with everything. So, and it has 3 pockets. I have to carry so much. And I'll be going back home in the night, so I have to carry everything, whatever I would need. So yeah, for that you need this much bag. I love sling bags, but then I have to put in so many things. I can't carry a sling bag.
Okay, thank you Yogita for sharing all this stuff with us.
Welcome.
Thank you for revealing your secrets about your bag.
Yes.
So
And I have to put it back. That's a task.
So any message for the audience?
Any message? Yes. Thank you guys. I really appreciate that you have loved us. You have loved Dil Hi To Hai. You have loved me. You have accepted me as an actor, as a part of your lives, and you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and you do a lot of stuff that that the fan pages and everything, which is very sweet. I love all of you, and I hope I keep entertaining you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.